Hello. So
Hello,
I'm
brother.
starting a.
How are you?
Hey, good, good. What time is it where you are?
It's now 8 p.m. my side. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're
on your
taking the
side
time
it's
for
morning.
me.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, how
Um,
is
do
going
you,
everything?
Everything's going well. I've been working with this client since May, and on Mailchimp has been the ESP they've been using. Um, I it's been frustrating. I kind of figured out how to work around certain things. So the main thing, just to recap, I created this. I wrote a 20 email flow automation flow, and we feed cold leads into it, and it does quite well as far as open rates, click rates, and um, our thought process was rather than just keeping on feeding new leads into it, let's identify the most engaged ones, the ones who open every email or open 15 emails. We'll figure out the bar, and then put them onto another nurture sequence. And
Big email wise, like if you have 20 emails, we can create segment here. Like we can select 20 emails. So if somebody open and click all 20 emails, then you can move them on the another journey. We can do that.
okay, cool. How do you do it, or
Uh,
what's the process like?
it's simple. We need to make simple. Then a starting point, we need to select them when we are building the automation. So on a starting point, we need to select the segment, and it would be work efficiently.
Okay,
And
what
if it is this way, if it is not work properly, so we need to what we need to do. We need to build another journey on Mailchimp site. You can include a tag whoever opening your email, so you can just make segment and you can export their data. Okay, then another way, just monthly one time you can download them and re-add them on Mailchimp account. So when you add them, they will be adding on the specific journey.
okay.
This is two
Um,
way you can add them here.
So how does it work in terms of do you have to take our login, or how do you access it, or how does it
You
that
just
work?
need to give me. I can send you request through my Mailchimp account. You can give me manager role. Then it would be work for me. Yeah.
Okay. What is something like, because I'm thinking here, I'll show you my screen a little bit to give you
Yes,
just
of
some
course.
better context. So this is how we've been running it. I'll spare you the backstory. I originally was, we're basically like for a while, for the most part, you can see the dates of the nurture start. We were sort of feeding in a new cohort into a journey every week or so. Some weeks we skipped, right? And this is the number of contacts in the cohort. And that's really it. And then I have, I've been tracking, these are the open rates, which is pretty good for a cold audience, these open and click rates. And the fact that they stay with us, even down at email 20, we have open rates in the 50s for a totally cold audience and stuff. So, um, yeah, and I wanted to, can you chop through just a little bit? But basically, I don't want to, I'm thinking that I will isolate the pool. At the end of when they get through the sequence, I tag them as a nurture sequence grad. So I have this tag. So let's say there are like, I don't know, 1,200 people who have finished it, or 1,500. And then from that, we would just isolate. So I'm thinking in terms of, I work on a pretty lean budget with the client, but, this is worth it. This is something that I think can get their approval if this is sort of like each time we do this, maybe once every, couple months. And is that something where it's like a certain fee for you that makes sense? I just love to sort of understand how big a lift, how much this will sort of cost to
Okay.
do what we want to do.
Okay. So the thing is, you have already made the journey one journey. Can you log in on the Mailchimp account and show me the
Yeah,
whole things, and it would be effective for me. Yeah.
yeah.
Login.
Log in. How do I? Don't be like this, Mailchimp.
You can try ignore mode. Incognito mode you can try.
Uh, So at one point when I started, I was, you can have up to 3 tags per flow. So my
Okay.
thought was
Okay.
I would
Okay.
take it all in one, and then I started breaking them out where each cohort has their own flow. It's just cleaner for the reporting that you see that I have to do. It's just so easy when they each have their own flow. So that's what I sort of switched to.
Okay. Can you click on the flow?
Here's
So this is the all flow,
so
right?
these are all the flows. I basically have one that whenever I want to start a new cohort, I
Okay,
replicate this one. I replicate this one, and I start it. So you can see when each one started. Here, I'll just go into a recent one. Let's see.
Okay, each journey, how many email is included? Go back on the Mailchimp. Go back on the Mailchimp.
Yeah, this actually gives you a better.
No.
These are sort of the counts.
No. It's a contacts you are adding on the journey. So what I am saying, this is the specific journey. As you see, UTA nature B1 Philly.
These are all basically the same journey. We do a couple emails slightly different for regions.
I understand.
Like
each of the journey, how many email is included?
20. Here, I'll show you. Here's a journey.
Each journey, how many email? 20 email?
20.
Okay.
And then at the end, nurture sequence grad.
It's like when someone complete this journey, it's automatically tag a nurture sequence guard.
And then I even have, we add them, anyway, I don't need to bore with other details, but yes. So yeah, these are all, we're essentially cold prospects that we identify the warm ones from.
Okay. Let me make it more simple. So think about this is the first journey E2A nature B1 national 3. Okay, think about this is the journey. So here like you have 200 data. I see 193 data. So you are already sending them 20 emails. Now you want to figure out whoever engage, whoever open on the email. They on the journey section they open the email, also click on the link. So first of all, each journey for this 20 email we need to create segment here. So each of contacts for this each of journey you need to make another journey for like high engage. Do you want something like that?
Yeah, that part's easy for me to create a new journey.
I understand. You need to help with this technical part so that whoever open and click on the link this journey, a specific journey, whoever complete this, you only want to include them another journey.
Right. I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, I understand.
Like the journeys will be like high engaged nurture sequence grads with a certain date, and then I'll as we run more of these, I'll do another one, and exclude people who have gone through the second one that we'll be creating. That makes sense. Like.
Yeah, I understand. Just we need to just identify engage contacts, whoever open this each journey, whoever complete the journey, each email, and also
this is the pool right now. It'll grow as at each week. As these cohorts finish up, they'll get added to the nurture sequence grads.
And yeah, I have another. Yes, I have another solution here. So since whoever complete this journey, you can see their data here also. So what I can do also, we can find out their data, how many people are open. We can make segment here, identify them, whoever opening our email, then you can add them on another journey. Just you need to re-add them on Mailchimp account. You need to create a new journey, just add them under this tag. They will be including on the high engagement journey. You can do it also this way also. This option would be easier for you, so all over the time you can do simply.
Because it's not just open, right? It's like we'll be able to be as specific. We'll see how many people opened all of them, how many opened 19, 18, 17, 16. We'll draw a line in the sand at maybe 16, 15, whatever. Maybe it's 10.
Yes.
And then, if I could just have the data to work with just to sort. And I know it's frustrating because I click on Felicia, for instance. Felicia's opened every email. Where is it? 100% open rate, Like, why can't I just... It's why isn't that data here just part of her profile? I just want a column that says opens and one that says clicks.
I understand. I can help you with that. I can help you with that here. How many total journey? Each of journey contacts you need to move them on the high engagement journey. So I need to help you with the technical part. Can you show me one more time? Click on the automation.
Yeah.
So how many journey total here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Here's a better way of seeing it.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one will finish at the end of this week. So, just here. We're looking, well, you see, I mean, everyone here is reflected in the audience nurture sequence grad, and then they automatically get added as they go. So that number, that's 1732.
No. The context, how many contacts is there? That is not a problem. My concern is how many journey contacts I need to figure out. Okay.
How many different, you have to treat each flow separately?
Yes, you don't need each flow separately. Obviously you want to separate each flow contacts, right?
A lot of them are treated the same, if you will. It's like there's a slight difference for Baltimore, a slight difference for Philadelphia, and everything else is the same. DMV, these all can be treated the same. National can be treated the same.
Okay, just let me clear one thing. Each of journey contacts you want to separate, or only all of the journey, whoever open the emails, you only want to separate those person?
Yeah, I think at this point, at this stage, we don't have to be. I think it's just these are people who've gone through the 20, and now we're going to send them the next nurture, the more advanced nurture sequence, and we don't need to separate them.
Okay. Yeah. So you want only total how many contacts open the email and click on the link also? Just you want their data separately?
Yeah, like I can treat everyone who's gone through that has the nurture sequence grad tag the same.
Yes.
It's okay for me. And then I'd like to actually know, not just did they click, did they click 15, 16, 17 times?
You can stop. You can stop share your screen. I get showing you something that would be better for you.
Okay.
Let me show it. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. You can look. So just I am making it simple. This is one of my client accounts. So this is the journey. So both email are separate. Okay. So now your point of view, which people are complete this all journey, which people are complete this journey, or whoever open our email, all email they open and click on the link. Do you only want to separate those person data? Like how many people complete the journey and they open and click on the link? You only want this data, or like whoever only completes this journey, like here 24,996. Okay, so how many people are open and how many people are click on the link? This journey wise a specific data you need, or overall how many people are open and click on the link? Like, I hope you understand now.
I guess what I want is the number of, I want to be able to see the people, anyone who doesn't unsubscribe in 2.5 months has completed the journey, but they're not all the same. Some of them opened every email, some of them opened a couple. I'm interested in the people, let's just say, who opened 15 or more emails. And, I kind of want to have, just to see the people who opened all 20, kind of understand how engaged, what are, like I said, I don't know exactly where I'm drawing the line in the sand, if it's 10 emails, if it's 11, 12, etc., all the way up to 15, so I can see that these are the most engaged.
So like we can identify here, like whoever opened 20 campaign, last 20 campaign you send, you only want to see their data, we can find it out like one click.
And 19, 18, etc., we can keep casting a wider net, because obviously the lower the bar, the more people will be included in that. That's what I just want to be able to have a list sorted by opens. That's basically it. It's like I want contacts who are this tag and just see how many emails they've opened.
Just simple thing, how many people are, so you only lead like this way. A person, they complete the open all emails and click on the links. Do you only want to their data, or like each person how many email open you want to like this way their data?
and I'd like to see the opens and clicks, so I can say this person's clicked 12 times. I kind of just want to understand what the most engagement.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, I will be send you the proposal in shortly. Okay, all good.
Okay. Like, how do you, is it Mehedi? Or
Yes.
how do you pronounce your name?
Yeah, my name is Mehedi. Yeah.
Mehedi. Okay.
Yes.
Very nice to meet you, Mehedi.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.